Now on this frock I'm going to give a embellishment. So for that I have chosen two fabrics to make a bow out of this. So let's see how to make a bow. For bow, first I'm going to take a white fabric and in that fold the fabric and measure 3 by 4 inches. Like the length of the bow has to be in 4 inches and width of the bow will be 3 inches. The second bow has to be in 2.5 inches width and the other side has to be in 3 inches. So I'm going to stitch in 1/4 inch on all the 3 sides. I have given a space to turn the fabric. I did that on this fabric too. Here I have left. So using this gap we are going to turn the take your bell pin to pull out these sharp edges. So here one bow is ready. Let's prepare the other bow as well. Other bow is also ready. So this is how our bow is going to look. We have to do hand stitch in the middle. Mark 1.5 inches. and the length of the strip has to be in 20 inches on fold. So now we're going to stitch in 1/4 inch on both the sides. 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. So this full line has to be stitched. We're going to turn this out. You can take any pencil or pen to make one more, same like this. Okay, so now we're going to stitch it with hand needle. Set both the rectangles at one place and start folding at the middle to get a bow shape. So here our bow is ready. Now on our frock, measure 7 inches from the shoulder and measure a midpoint as well. This is totally 15, so I'm taking 7.5 as a midpoint and place the bow at the midpoint, and we're going to do a hand stitch. Now, take your hand underneath your front and place it exactly on the middle and start sewing. Okay, so that's it, our bow is ready. Now you can put it on the baby and you can tie it at the back.